Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. So today we are going to see how, as a dentist or as ophthalmologist, any specialty that you possess, how you can use NiftyHMS to do patient assessment depending on your specialty. So let's check it out. So once you log in as a doctor in NiftyHMS, you will see the dashboard where it summarizes everything that goes on in the system, right from the appointment, prescriptions, or income report and everything. Now let's just go to left side menu, system settings, click on assessment template. There you will see system defined templates like general assessment template, and if you are dentist, you will also see a dental assessment template. So these template you can set as a default template. So whenever you do a new patient assessment, you will always see the dental assessment template. So let's just check it out. So dental assessment template is loaded by default in the library in the system. So we will go to doctors, click on doctor's name, click on edit icon. Once you click on edit icon, it opens up the profile edit detail page, where from the default template select the dental assessment template. So now you are all set as a doctor to assess any patient's dental history or dental issues they are having. So that's done. So we have record updated successfully, message is shown. So we can now go and do an assessment for a patient. So let's click on Alex patient, click on assessment, and you can always add a new assessment. So doctor name is already selected from the drop down, whether it's a new encounter or whether it's for the existing encounter that you want to modify. You can select from the drop down. Then you have the dental chart, so you can always select which teeth number has issues as per your assessment. So currently we're going to select upper 6 number teeth, and we can add the caries, or it is missing. So there are different options that we can select from the options, and once you've done that, if you hover over mouse over it, you will see the problems that's been added by us. Now we can add a complaint that tooth is missing, and it needs to be implanted with a new tooth or something like that. So let's just go with that. Then we can say general consulting as a treatment. Maybe you want to do the root canal, then you can always select the root canal and things like that. Just options. So there are all options that you can define. You can also write a prescription over here. So whatever medicine dosage and number of days the course is and all that. Or you can also upload your written prescription just by choosing file options over here. You can upload, or you can prescribe a report. If you want to do some dental reports, maybe you can prescribe those reports here as well. So now we are ready to save the assessment. So just click on the save button, and it stores your assessment successfully. So we have just added an assessment for Alex patient, and it has the patient ID, doctor name, everything mentioned. Just click on the view icon, eye icon, and it will show you the whole assessment summary. So whatever tooth that you want to find is missing, those details, the complaints, then prescriptions, so everything is captured in a single page. And you can always print this prescription summary for the patient, and you can file it up for the patient review or for your own review. So that's very easy to do it in the NiftyHMS. So now let's just go back to dashboard. So here is how you can actually, as a dentist, you can assess a patient dental history and do all the compliance reporting in the system using NiftyHMS. Thanks for watching our video. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.